Hey, it's Sari with Shelf Genie, and it was nice meeting you this afternoon. So I put together a quick YouTube video so you can get a better idea how Shelf Genie is going to look in your kitchen as well as your master bath. So we'll start with the master bath. So these are your vanities. When you walk in your door, the left and the right, and on the left side, we'll go ahead and do a 5-inch high glide out on the bottom, and then independent risers on the top. Hey, it's Sari with Shelf Genie, and it was nice meeting you this afternoon. So I put together a Hey, it's Sari with Shelf Genie, and it was nice meeting you this afternoon. So I put together a quick YouTube video so you can get a better idea of how great Shelf Genie is going to look in your master bath as well as your kitchen. So we'll start with the master bath, your vanity. So when you walk in the door right here, you're going to have two vanities on the left side. On the bottom, we'll go ahead and do a 5-inch high glide out that will fully extend, and you have full clearance to pick everything up. And then we talked about doing these independent risers. So when you're standing here, you can pull each of these out individually and get what you need. And same with this one here on the right, we'll do a 5-inch and then an independent riser and an independent riser. So you can store your makeup up here, your hair dryer, your flat iron, medicine, whatever you need. Then we will go to the desk area. So we have two options here. We'll start with the center. We did a 7-inch with 3 dividers, and you can move those dividers to the left or to the right or take them out. And then we went ahead and did a 5-inch with 3 dividers and a 5-inch with 3 dividers. So you can move these 6 dividers around. That's just doing this the 3 in the center. And then if you didn't do the center, we talked about doing the left side, which will attach the door, and we'll do a 5-inch, and then we'll do a 2.5-inch and a 2.5-inch. And then once again, if you do the left side, you were thinking of doing the right side, a 5-inch, a 2.5-inch, and a 2.5-inch. So you have two options, and I went ahead and priced those out in the email. Then we will go to your kitchen area. So this is your island area, and this is where you have your canned goods. So we'll go ahead and do a 5-inch high glide out on the bottom, and then a 5-inch on the top. And then we will look over to the right of the dishwasher, and this is where you have a little bit of your skillets. So we'll do a 5-inch and a 5-inch. And then over here to the next cabinet, a 2.5-inch high glide out and a 2.5-inch high glide out. Then we'll walk over to the back wall. So this is where you have your water bottles and drinks. We'll go ahead and do a 5-inch and a 5-inch. And then to the right of the refrigerator, we're going to go ahead and do a 5-inch. You felt like you needed a 5-inch here, and then a 2.5-inch where you can keep your toaster here. And then the right side of your stove, we'll go ahead and do a 5-inch for your pots and pans, and then another 5-inch, and we put in one divider, and that divider can be moved all the way back here against this wall, and you can stand up your lids. Okay? So that is your Shelf Genie project. I went ahead and priced out the basic grade, which is a 3-year warranty, and all of our glide outs hold up to 100 pounds. And in the email, just so you know, I did your vanity by itself. I did the desk area, this desk area by itself, and then the outside, left and right, and then your kitchen. Okay? And if you guys have any questions, feel free to call 770-380-2499. And it was really nice chatting with you today. Take care, and you guys have a good night. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.